Yeah, thank you very much, Kelly. And it's a pleasure to be on your podcast and yeah, kind of be part of the work you're doing. So I mean, I always look at technology, and yeah, we can describe technology in so many different ways, but like kind of when people kind of wonder about what's the most useful technology, has technology ever done for us, and people are sometimes quite skeptical when it comes to things like AI or biotech, for example, some of the newer technologies. You kind of can easily point to many things that we take completely for granted, but that at the time were completely new, had revolutionized the world, and people were skeptical about. So, look at electricity is one of them, and there was so many scare stories about electricity when it first came up. And true, I mean, it wasn't very safe at the beginning, but it changed everything, and it changed everything from our personal safety, because you could actually see where you're going at night. It wasn't easy for people to attack others that are walking at night by themselves. It changed so much of our lives. I know you can imagine just a world without electricity, but even like things that are very mundane, like the invention of the toilet and sanitation became probably the most important public health measure ever, and it kind of completely transformed cities and health and our human health, and also things like penicillin and antibiotics. So we kind of see things we kind of think of things like AI and think, okay, this is new, this is strange, we don't really understand it. But the reality is, it is, because it's a new technology, so there's always there's a bit of trial and error. Some things will go wrong, others will go right, but eventually, and your trajectory is clear, is that there is a lot of benefits there, and the trick is just to be aware of the risks, to kind of be cautious in how we're doing things, and understand that there will be things that are promised at the beginning that maybe do not materialize, but that does not mean that the technology isn't real, that it doesn't work and doesn't have value. There is a lot of value, and we already see that we're using it every day, and in so many ways, just from being able to get directions on Google Maps to being able to just talk to Siri, and then these are small things, but there's so many others like them that we just don't even think about because they work so well.